What's up, YouTube? It's NQ Scalper Mom back at you with another video. Your girl is back. I completely fell off the wagon last week. I got into some losing streaks and just kind of got upset. Wasn't Things weren't happening the way I wanted to happen. So I did get upset, kind of tilted and blew my account that I was only supposed to be trading one trade or one or two trades a day on. So I did lose the account. Full transparency, I did try to get it back a couple of times, start over with a new account, but I never could just get myself to be back on track and disciplined. So I just kept trying to kind of do something, I guess, under the table, and it never worked out. Finally, did come clean to my trading coach that I had gone off the rails, blown the account. So he did bring me down to just one trade a day. So I had been able to take two trades a day on the one account. So now with the new account that I have now, I'm only taking one trade a day, win or lose. So I did go ahead and get a new Tradeify account with the sale that they're having, the anniversary sale. So I was able to get the 25K account for 175. So I did get that straight to fund it. And this is what I did today. So just looking at it, price opened up. This is the opening here. We shot up, came back down to the non-EMA. I saw this trade, but I did not take it. It looks like it would have won. And notice we did go through VWAP here, but um it did not make it. It ended up rejecting. We came back down again through the non-EMA and also through the 21 EMA, stopped it. So I took this as a signal, and this next candle is an entry. We went through VWAP again. I was hopeful that we could make it back through VWAP. Of course, my 1 to 5 target was way up here, which was beyond the VWAP. Beyond, at this point, the range we had even established, because at this point the range was just up to here, and it was even beyond this pivot point. So I don't know, maybe I should have known that this trade wasn't going to work out. That's really high, but sometimes it does shoot up like that. I think maybe a couple of Mondays ago it we were off to the races and it shot up. So sometimes it does happen. But I don't know. Actually, this thing just kind of disappointed me. Went way back down. Now, given that we were early in the morning, I do like to give a little bit more room to my stop. So instead of having it right below this signal bar, I did go to the next pivot low. I thought that would give more protection. So I did have it here, but as you can see, the price just continued on, and it only stopped at the 100 and 200 simple moving averages, which is what I have here. And then it went back up to VWAP again. VWAP gave us a nice short. So really, I was just all wrong with this VWAP today. So anyway, that is what I did today. I did go ahead and do my little daily report card. So everything was checked off. Traded only one account, traded only 3 micros, followed my entry criteria for a defined setup, followed my exit criteria. Well, my stop was hit. Only one trade allowed per day and done. So honestly, I was pretty happy because the last time that I got my one and only payout, that was back with Tradeify before. I did have red days, and that's something I always have to remember. When I got that payout, I had red days. I had a calendar. It had several days on it, and some of them were red. And lately, my problem has been if I take a losing trade, then I just will end up losing the account. I will just end up losing the account. So I was just pretty happy with myself that I was able to take the loss. It was $118, and just go ahead and shut down that account. I'm sorry. Well, 112. I think with commissions and everything, it was 118. I believe. Yeah, because I don't think this puts the commissions on there, but I think it was 118 for trade of eight. But I was happy because I need to learn how to take a loss so that I can live to trade another day. So, really excited about that. Obviously, if I take 9 more losses like that, then of course the account will be gone, but at least it's not gone in one day because I take a loss and I just blow the whole thing up. Mind you, this account only has $1,000 worth of drawdown. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. You guys, I'm not really sure about this VWAP situation. I don't know. Am I wrong for taking a trade into the VWAP, having a target past the VWAP? Sometimes price does go through the VWAP. So, but I know some people feel like you should not take along below the VWAP, or maybe I know a lot of people think like that. So definitely please comment below if you have any hard stances or guidelines that you use regarding the VWAP. I guess I really don't right now, but that's something that I'll have to look at as I get more data, as I continue to back test and continue to review these trades in TradeZilla. So, anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you all on the next video. Trade safe and trade well.